Hello students, Standard 8. In last session we started chapter number 12 in mathematics, exponents and powers. We recall our memory that how can we write down the big numbers using exponents so that it can be easy to read those numbers and easy to compare also. Then we extend our knowledge with the negative power also. That when the power is negative, exponent is negative, then we learn how to make it positive and simplify the given questions. Also we recall the all laws of exponents which we learn in the previous standard, and we understand that those laws are applicable for the negative exponents also. Now we are going to start the exercise 12.1. In exercise 12.1, question number 1, evaluate. So we have to find the value of the given question. Let's see which is the first. First one is 3 raised to the power minus 2. Now we learn in the beginning of the chapter that a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Applying the same rule here, we can write down it as 1 upon 3 square, because negative power when goes into the denominator it becomes positive power, and that is equal to 1 upon 3 square is 3 into 3, so you get the answer 1 upon 9. Second one is minus 4 raised to power minus 2. Here also we can apply the same rule. So is equal to 1 upon minus 4 squared. Here there is a chance of making mistake sometimes, because when we say the students to make reciprocal when there is a negative sign, then they will do the negative sign positive here also. Actually here the answer will not change, because square of minus 4 and 4 will be the same. But if it is odd power, then there will be problem. So only when you take it in the denominator, only your power becomes positive. If the base is negative, it will remaining negative. And therefore it is 1 upon minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. And minus minus becomes plus here. So answer is 1 upon 16. Third one. In third one, you can see it is 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5. Here also we are applying the same rule. But 1 half, it means its reciprocal will be 2 upon 1. So when there is a fraction, then when we want to make the power negative to positive, we have to just make the reciprocal and the power will be positive here. So now 2 upon 1 is 2 only. So 2 raised to 5. So we know that 2 raised to 5 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 5 times. So 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32. So the answer is 32. Question number 2. Simplify and express the result as in power notation. In power notation with positive exponent. Means we have to apply the rules, simplify, and then the answer should have only positive exponent. So it means that if it is any negative, we have to convert into the positive exponent. First one is minus 4 power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to power 8. Now we learn the rules, in which the second rule was that when there is a division with the same base, then the powers are subtracted. So applying that rule here, it will be minus 4 raised to 5 minus 8. But 5 minus 8 becomes minus 3. But now we have to write down the answer with positive exponent. So applying that same rule here, we can write down as 1 upon minus 4 power 3. So when we take the reciprocal, the power becomes positive. So we can write down 1 upon minus 4 raised to 3. Second one. Not minus, 1 upon 2 cube and whole square. One upon 2 cube and whole square. Now here, when there is a bracket and the whole has the power with the fraction, then that power is given to both of them. Means 1 raised to 2 also and 2 cube also. Now 1 square is 1 and 2 raised to. Now the third rule. What was the third rule? Power of power. Then you multiply the power. Means here 3 and 2 will be multiplied. And the answer is 1 upon 2 raised to 6. Here we don't need to find the answer because we just have to simplify. So don't have to write down the final answer. Third one. minus 3 power 4 multiply by 5 upon 3 raised to 4. So here little you have to think that minus 3 raised to 4. We have to remember that when the base is negative and if its power is an even number, then we can change the sign. Means if you write down 3 raised to 4 in place of minus 3 raised to 4 also. So here we can write down as 3 raised to 4. Here both will get 5 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4. Here you have to write down in the bracket that minus 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3 raised to 4. Because even power is there, so answer will be positive. Now here you can directly cancel that 3 raised to 4 also, so your final answer is 5 raised to 4. Now the fourth one, 3 raised to minus 7 divide by 3 raised to minus 10 and then multiply by 3 raised to minus 5. Here you have to be very careful because lots of negative sign, division, multiplication and that. So don't be in a hurry and watch it carefully what I did. Now if we first do that negative to positive, then it will be difficult. So rather first do the bracket one. What is there in the bracket? There is division. Same base 3. So division means subtraction. So 3 raised to minus 7 minus, don't make the mistake to write down 10 because again it is minus 10. So minus 7 minus minus 10 multiply by 3 raised to minus 5. Leave it like that. Then 3 raised to minus 7 minus minus will become plus. So you get 3 raised to minus 7 plus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. So now simplify here 10 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 3, I mean 10 is 10 minus 7 is 3 multiply by 3 raised to minus 5. So now multiplication, same base, rule number 1, law number 1. Addition means 3 plus minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to 3 minus 5. Now 3 minus 5 is minus 2. But we need the answer with positive index, positive power. So we will take the reciprocal. So 1 upon 3 raised to 2. And if you have to find the answer, you can write down 1 upon 9 also. It's the same. Then the fifth one. In fifth one, it is 2 raised to minus 3. Multiply by minus 7 raised to minus 3. Here we see that the bases are different, but powers same. Then we multiply the bases and give the same power. So now 2 multiplied by minus 7 is minus 14 raised to power minus 3. But we need power positive. So what is to do? Switch off, switch over. So 1 upon minus 14 raised to the power 3. So here we use that another rule and then we write down like that. Now third question. Find the value of. So here we have to find the value, not only simplify. First one, 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 multiply by 2 square. We know that anybody's power 0 is answer is 1. So 3 raised to 0 is 1 plus 4 raised to negative power. So it will become positive power. Multiply by 2 square is 4. Now here we have to take LCM to add them. So here 4 ones are 4 plus 1. So that is equal to 5 upon 4. Here 4 will be cancelled. So your answer is 5. So 3 raised to 0 is 1. Negative power becomes positive. Then we take LCM. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. And 2 square is 4. So 4 is cancelled. And your answer is 5. Second one. 2 raised to minus 1. 4 raised to minus 1 divide by 2 raised to minus 2. Now here, first, both have the same power, so we can write down 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 raised to minus 1. But now here if you want to apply the rule, base should be equal. So how can we write down 8? We know that 8 is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8. So in place of 8, we can write down 2 cube. So here we write down 2 cube raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. So here it is equal to 2 raised to 3 into minus 1. Now you can write directly also power of power, mean multiplication. Divide by 2 raised to minus 2. Division means minus. So 2 raised to minus 3 minus minus 2. Minus minus will become plus. So minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. And if you take it down, 1 upon 2 raised to 1 means 1 upon 2. That is simple. Now, third sum. One by 2 raised to minus 2. 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. It looks like very difficult, but it is very, very simple. Now 1 by 2 power minus 2. So if you want to power plus, we have to just reciprocal it. So 2 raised to 2. Here 3 raised to 2. Here 4 raised to 2. Simple. And now 2 square is 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 square is 16. Just add them. 29. Very, very simple. Fourth one. 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 raised to 0. What will we do here? First we will convert them in positive power. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. Then we will take LCM. No. Then you are wrong. You know why? Look here. What is the final power? 0. Any number but last power is 0. What is the answer? 1. Oh, we don't have to do anything. No calculation is equal to 1. You can write down because a raised to 0 is equal to 1. We have the last rule. So don't waste time here. Otherwise you will do 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. And then, now the last one. There is a big bracket, then small bracket, minus 2 upon 3. Power minus 2 and again power 2. So first of all we will do power of power. So minus 2 upon 3 raised to minus 2 into 2. That is minus 2 upon 3, 2 to the minus 4. But now minus power, you have to reciprocal to make it positive. So minus 3 upon 2 raised to power 4. So is equal to minus 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 2 4 times. So negative, negative, positive, again positive, so answer will be positive. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3s are 81, upon 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So your final answer is 81 upon 16. So by this way, you can just apply the laws and you can get the answers. So here we are going to finish today's session. Will be followed by the PDF, and any problem write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.